Hello and welcome to the Travel Beans.
You didn't even say beautiful beans.
Sorry.
Hello, my beautiful beans. Today's video is dedicated to Jay, our awesome patron.
We love you, Jay. Thank you so much.
So we are leaving Bangkok in about 5 days. No, we leave our apartment in 5 days. We're leaving Bangkok in about a week or so. So we've got a lot of stuff to do. So right now, one of the things we've got to sort out before we leave is our drone. It's been broken for about 3 months now. So we are finally going to go take it to a repair shop.
Yes.
Hopefully get it done in time.
So we've taken a couple hours off work and we're going to go and try and get this sorted so that when we go to Singapore, we can start actually using the drone again, making some good videos for you guys. Of getting it sent to the engineers to get fixed, and yeah, we're just waiting at the moment because we don't know if it's going to take a week, which would be fine, but we leave in 10 days and they said it could take up to 2 weeks, so fingers crossed.
So we've just got back and this is a little bit stressful, guys.
It's a little bit stressful. We have done a very stupid thing and waited until the last minute to get our drone fixed.
But financially, we have not been in a position to even consider getting the drone fixed until now. So luckily we are in that place,
yes.
But the time constraints are not on our side.
No, so they've said to us, originally they said it takes 2 weeks for the drone to be fixed and come back. We told them we were leaving in 10 days and the guy was like, yeah, that should be okay. Should be okay.
Yeah.
So we could be droneless in 10 days, who knows?
And now we're talking about, for example, we have to go to Singapore because we are doing some pet sitting there, looking after a dog. And
I'm so excited.
Possibly Emma would go and I would stay to get the drone, depending on what the situation is.
Yeah, we need that drone, guys. We want to shoot some great stuff in Singapore, and we still haven't decided where we're going after Singapore, so potentially some awesome drone shots there too, so we don't want to miss out on that.
And also, a couple of little things we want to talk to you about is, one, how excited we are. We are leaving in 10 days, and this is what 6 years together and working towards has come to.
So one other reason we haven't been making so many videos recently is because we have been working our little asses off to be able to pay for stuff like drones and equipment and things that we need to give you guys good content. And it's been a nice holiday actually from filming.
It's been nice to switch off because for the people that do make videos out there, you know how time consuming it is, and even a few minute videos can take hours, and maybe on average the Philippine videos were probably about 10 hours each of editing, maybe 8 or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of time that goes into this, and we're feeling a bit burned out.
Yeah, I think we were a bit exhausted, to be honest, because we've been working pretty much non-stop teaching, and while we're away we were filming constantly, editing while on the road, and I think we just really needed a rest.
And also we have been focusing so much on money. We talk about this a lot, but we have been working every single day to get ourselves in a position that now we're leaving, we are in a great position to go and really enjoy this lifestyle and the world.
We are finally out of debt as well, which we are both extremely happy about. Now I'm just really looking forward to getting back on the road again and filming every bloody day.
Yes, we're not going to film every day.
Wow.
But we'll film a lot more. We'll film a lot more, and hopefully we'll be back to 3 videos a week coming soon.
Yes, so any of you guys, if you want to follow in our footsteps, get on the road, be digital nomads, please check out our digital nomad series, which will be the second episode coming in the next week or so.
Yeah, so press the notification, because we're never going to be the people that promise you guys videos, but we're going to give you little breadcrumbs to enjoy along the way of our journey.
Thank you very much for watching, guys.
And hopefully we're going to have our drone back soon, and we are going to fly it and crash it again within a week of having it. I can't wait.
I need to keep the reins on this one, the drone.
So this is for thumbing. Thumb the video.
Thumb it.
Like it.
And
subscribe.
And subscribe and share it with all your friends and...
Beats out!